Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best shoe cleaner brush is probably one of the most underrated tools in your cleaning arsenal. Whether you're a sneakerhead with a pristine collection or just someone who wants to keep their shoes looking fresh, a good brush can make all the difference. Today, we're diving deep into the world of shoe cleaning brushes, exploring what makes a great one and helping you find the perfect match for your needs. Number 5. Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit. Introducing the Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit. This kit is designed to tackle dirt and grime while being gentle on your shoes. It's the perfect solution for keeping your footwear looking its best. This cleaner is suitable for a variety of materials. Whether it's fabric, leather, whites, suede, or nubuck, it can handle it all. It's a versatile cleaner for all your shoe cleaning needs. The kit includes a bottle of cleaner and a brush. This ensures you have everything you need to get started right away. It's a complete package for a thorough clean. Bring your sneakers back to life with this cleaner. It effectively removes stains and dirt, restoring the original look. It's like a fresh start for your favorite shoes. Using this cleaner is simple and straightforward. Just apply, scrub, and wipe. It's a quick and easy way to keep your shoes clean. What we like. This kit is your all-in-one solution for shoe cleaning. It's designed to handle a wide range of materials, from fabric to leather. If you have a diverse shoe collection or want a simple, comprehensive cleaning solution, you should consider this. What people say. The bristles are soft enough to not damage the shoes but firm enough to scrub away dirt and grime. The brush is easy to hold and maneuver, making it simple to clean shoes thoroughly. The design is ergonomic and fits comfortably in the hand. Number 4. Suede and Nubuck 4-Way Leather Brush Cleaner. This is the most effective suede brush available. The unique design helps bring your shoes back to their original condition. The shape and material of the bristles are the secret. You don't need any extra solutions or brushes. This brush is designed to be a complete cleaning solution for your shoes. Protective spray is encouraged, but not required. Regular brushes often spread dirt, but this one lifts it away. The bristles are designed to separate dirt from the surface. It will leave your shoes looking clean. With 3 built-in rubber brushes, you can clean every part of your shoes. It even reaches the narrow welts where dirt often hides. No spot will be missed. The brush features both nylon and thin metal bristles. The metal bristles target dirt, while the nylon bristles lift it away. This dual action provides powerful cleaning without needing a lot of pressure. What we like. This brush features a unique 4-way head, ensuring a thorough clean. It's designed to lift dirt and grime effectively, even from those hard-to-reach areas. If you are looking for a brush that can restore your shoes to their pristine condition, you should consider this. What people say. It's sleek, it's compact, it's like holding a magic wand in your hand. But instead of casting spells, it's casting away dirt and grime from your favorite suede and nubuck possessions. I've used it on my suede boots, my nubuck jacket, even on my beloved suede handbag that I thought was doomed to a life of grubbiness. But lo and behold, with a few strokes of this brush, they all looked brand spanking new. The different sides each serve a purpose. The rubber bristles lift dirt without damaging the nap, the crepe edge smooths out scuffs, and the side eraser works wonders on salt stains and shiny spots. Number 3. Chemical Guy's Horsehair Leather Cleaning Brush. This brush features soft, natural horsehair bristles. It gently lifts dirt and grime from leather surfaces. It is safe for various leather types. The brush is designed for use on natural, synthetic, and faux leather. It is perfect for car interiors, furniture, and other leather items. You can use it on your jackets, handbags, sneakers, and boots. The long bristles reach into creases and textured surfaces. This design ensures a deep and thorough cleaning. It helps remove dirt effectively. The brush has a comfortable handle for a secure grip. This allows for better control during cleaning sessions. It makes cleaning easier and more efficient. Use this brush with Chemical Guy's leather cleaners. This combination maximizes cleaning power and ensures surface safety. It is the perfect tool for leather care. This car detailing brush is also great for home, office, and fashion leather care. It is a versatile tool for various applications. It is a must-have for leather maintenance. What we like. This brush uses soft horsehair bristles to gently clean leather surfaces. It's safe for all types of leather and features an ergonomic handle for comfortable use. If you like a gentle yet effective cleaning tool for your leather goods, you should consider this. What people say. The bristles are soft but firm enough to scrub away dirt and grime. The brush is easy to hold and maneuver. The design is sleek and modern. Number 2. JobSite Boot Scrubber, All-Weather Industrial Shoe Cleaner. Tired of muddy floors? This heavy-duty boot scraper brush is designed to remove mud, sand, dirt, and more. It's the perfect solution to keep your floors clean. Installation is easy. You can mount it to various surfaces using the included hardware. Whether it's wood, concrete, or a truck step, it's ready to go. The scrubber is designed for a snug fit, creating friction to effectively remove dirt. This design gives it the power to remove mud and debris from your shoes. Unlike other scrapers, this one won't rot or crack. Its industrial metal frame and composite plastic sides withstand all weather conditions, making it perfect for outdoor use. Built tough by JobSite, the brand that works. This product is made by a Michigan-based small business, ensuring quality and reliability. What we like. This boot scrubber is built tough to withstand all weather conditions. It effectively removes mud, dirt, and debris from your shoes. If you have a job site or outdoor area where you need a durable and reliable cleaning solution, you should consider this. What people say. Works great. Well made. This boot scrubber is very effective and looks like it'll hold up to a lot of use. This piece of kit is very well made and simple to use and does do a great job taking the muck and stones from the boot-treaded soles. Number 1. JobSite Boot Scrubber, Outdoor Shoe Scraper. Introducing the JobSite Boot Scrubber, the ultimate outdoor shoe cleaner. This tool is designed to keep your boots clean and your workspace tidy. It's built to handle the toughest jobs. Forget about complicated installations. This boot scrubber features side step plates that keep it securely in place. You can set it up anywhere without the need for bolts or screws. The extra-wide design accommodates even the largest boots. This feature ensures that it can handle any size of footwear, making it perfect for everyone. This scrubber is built with heavy-duty materials. The high-density composite molded plastic and welded metal frame ensure it can withstand any weather condition, without rotting or cracking. Unlike other brands, this product uses heavy-duty plastic edges that won't rot or crack. It's designed to withstand extreme heat, cold, and wet conditions, ensuring long-lasting performance. This boot scrubber is built tough by JobSite, a trusted brand. JobSite is a Michigan-based small business, so you can trust the quality and durability of this product. What we like. This boot scrubber offers an extra-wide design and doesn't require mounting, making it easy to use. It's built to last with heavy-duty materials. If you are looking for a convenient and durable outdoor shoe cleaner, you should consider this. What people say. It has the requisite side and sole brushes and a plate on each side to stand on with the foot not being cleaned if you don't have it secured, which allows you to move it from place to place. The bristles are sturdy and do a great job cleaning. It's solid when you stand on one end and scrape the other foot. It takes off dried dirt and also wet mud. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.